Thank you. I think that is... Oh. Oh, yeah. Nå. I frysende kæmpende her. Dear friends, welcome to the Moroccan embassy or outside there. As you know, we are standing here because of the court case at the military court against 23 Sahrawis who was involved in the protest camp many years ago, actually now, in 2011. And their case will be at court at the 1st of February. And we are standing here because we want to show our solidarity with their struggle, and also because we want to show our protest with the Moroccan state and the way they are running court cases against political activists. So we know, as you maybe know, some of you, there is protests like this around the world, from Canada and Ghana to Palestine to the US to France and Spain and so on. So all over the world people are standing in front of embassies, Moroccan embassies, and showing their protest on what is going on with all these political prisoners.